Never gon' stop, never gon' flop. You don't fuck though, want too many opportunities with me.
What's the deal, YouTube? It's me, JB. I'm back at it again with another video. As you can see from this title and thumbnail today, man, I have started my own clothing brand, man. Yes, man, I have started my own clothing brand. I've joined the wave, man. So, you know, but I've had this clothing brand for a minute. I just haven't released it or told anybody that I have created a clothing brand. I'm looking to drop it really soon. And today I'm gonna show you guys the 4 or 5 major steps of making a clothing brand, man. What you gotta do and things like that, man. So basically I will be doing a series of all the steps that I take until I drop. So you'll be getting all the behind the scenes, all the things that I'm doing with my clothing brand, man. Promotion, marketing, the bumps in the road, the ups, the downs, the good, the bad, the ugly, all that, man. So yeah, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe right now to this video, man. Pause the video, push that little button in the bottom right hand corner, man. Subscribe. It don't cost you nothing, man. Make sure you subscribe, bro, and let's get straight into this video. The 4 major steps when you're starting your clothing brand, man. So basically these are steps that I follow, you know what I'm saying? So this is what I'm giving y'all. So the number 1 step, man, is to start out with a name, bro. Start out with a name. Get you a name, man. Find you a name, man. Something unique. Don't be like everybody else. Find something that's, you know what I'm saying, something that you like, something that you not even like, bro. It's something that you love, because this is gonna be something that you put your time and your money into, so you 100% want to love it, man. That's number 1. Number 2 is to get you a logo, man. Gotta get you a logo that's basically gonna bounce off whatever the name is, man, or whatever your creative mind or whatever lane that you want to be in for your clothing brand and things like that. Number 3 is to make you a design, or like make you like start making like mock-ups based off the things that, you know what I'm saying, you might get inspo from Instagram, Pinterest. If you're into trends, you know what I'm saying, do something that's trendy right now or whatever. I mean, that's not my type of thing, but you can always do something that's kind of like with the trend. I guess that's what most people, that's probably like what everybody is kind of doing. I see like some unique brands out, but it's not really a lot. You just gotta find, like, you know what I'm saying, you just gotta make a design. A thing that's part with that is like with your design, you have to find like your niche, like your lane of what you want to label your brand off of, or the area that you want to have your brand in. But that's number 3. Number 4 is the easy ones. That's Instagram and TikTok. Just basically make you a social media for your brand. Hopefully we still have TikTok, you know what I'm saying, because they try to ban TikTok and shit like that. So I don't know, hopefully they're not trying to ban it. That's number 4. It's just to make you a social media, Instagram and TikTok. The 5th step will be making an LLC. That should be like number 1 with your name, but it's kind of like out of order. But yeah, you should make you LLC just to lock in the name, so nobody takes your name. That would suck. You sit there, you think about a name, you look at an LLC and somebody's already got it. That's the 5th step. That's pretty much like 5 quick, easy steps, man, when you go to make a clothing brand. That's like the 5 easiest steps. I mean, number 6, you can do another one too, and that's making a website. And I'm gonna do another video on that, of me making my website for my brand. Or I'm gonna show y'all how to like make a website and things like that. So yeah, that's basically like the 5 quick and easy steps how to make a clothing brand. And you can just do that. It don't take you a lot to do that. You can do that at the crib. Like, it's not gonna take you a lot. It's not gonna take you no big money. I mean, the only thing that's gonna cost you some money is maybe making a logo, making your website, locking the LLC. The LLC will probably be like 50. It depends. It probably is like 50 bucks. It's 50 bucks in Michigan where I'm at. And then of course, like making your website through Shopify, you gotta pay for a membership and things like that. And then you can get like a membership for Shopify for like your first 90 days for like $1 a month. To give y'all a backstory on my brand, man, my brand is called Bound to Arrive. Put the Instagram right here. Basically, the backstory about the brand is everything that you work hard for, you know what I'm saying, all things you pray for, or whatever, is bound to happen, man. It's bound to arrive, bro. Just with hard work, consistency, you know what I'm saying, dedication to your grind, is bound to happen. So that's basically how I feel. Like, you know what I'm saying, the stuff I work hard at, the stuff that I, you know what I'm saying, I write down, I journal about, is bound to happen. It's bound to arrive. And that's for y'all too, you know what I'm saying. Anybody that's watching this, you got goals, you got dreams, it's bound to happen, bro. You just gotta put in the work. All the money that you want to get, man, all the things you want to get, man, it's out here in this world, bro. You just gotta go get it. A lot of people come to me and they ask me about stuff, like things about, it's either things about life, business, whatever, sneakers, and I just say the same thing, man. You know, it's just gonna take hard work. I mean, shit, I'm still not where I want to be at. I still got a lot of work to do, still got a lot to go, a long way to go to get where I want to be at. I just gotta grind it out, man. Gotta pray a lot, lock in, and then it's bound to happen. So that's the name of my brand, man. It's basically like the little backstory of, you know what I'm saying, what I believe. That's pretty much gonna wrap up this quick video, man. I don't want to take up too much of y'all time. I'm gonna give you all these quick back-to-back videos, man. Lock in attention span. I know a lot of people's attention span is like really short, so I'm just gonna lock in, give you the information you need, get in, get out, and we on to the next video. So I appreciate y'all for watching this video, man. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you follow all my social medias at It's Me JB, man. You know what I'm saying? TikTok, YouTube, of course, this YouTube. Subscribe, man. Subscribe, nigga. Subscribe. Damn. But yeah, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you follow. Make sure you drop a follow to Bound to Ride on Instagram, man. I will leave the link into the description for my clothing brand. Please follow. I have a TikTok account and I have a Instagram account, man. Make sure you go follow both of those for constant uploads and information on my first drop that I'll be doing. So yeah, I appreciate y'all for watching again, man, and I am out.